In today's video, we are putting two premium robot vacuums head-to-head, the NARWAL Flow 2 versus the roborock Saros Z70. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these robot vacuums, make sure to check the link in the description below. Starting with the cleaning fundamentals, the NARWAL Flow 2 leads with a staggering 31,000 pascals suction, which is significantly more powerful than the roborock's 22,000 pascals, making the NARWAL a beast for deep cleaning carpets. But the roborock counters with its incredible 3.14-inch ultra-slim profile, allowing it to slide under furniture the NARWAL simply cannot reach. So you have to choose between raw power and physical access. Both offer impressive hot water mopping to break down tough stains, with the roborock reaching a sizzling 176 degrees Fahrenheit compared to the NARWAL's 140 degrees Fahrenheit. But the NARWAL's FlowWash system continuously cleans its mop with fresh water, ensuring it never spreads dirty water around. While the roborock uses a more standard dual spinning mop system that lifts 22 mm on carpets to avoid wetting them. The most dramatic difference is intelligence. The roborock Saros Z70 features a futuristic OmniGrip mechanical arm that can physically pick up and move small obstacles like socks or shoes, which is revolutionary but still experimental. While the NARWAL Flow 2 takes a more practical approach with its advanced AI object recognition and dual VLM cameras to intelligently navigate around your belongings, offering a more reliable, tried and tested navigation system that feels like a natural evolution, rather than a risky leap. When it comes to edge cleaning and furniture legs, the roborock's FlexiArm Riser technology extends its brushes and mops to reach deep into corners, giving it a clear advantage in floor coverage. Whereas the NARWAL relies on its dual zero-tangle brush system to excel in homes with long hair and pets, certified for zero hair tangling, which is a godsend for pet owners. Their base stations are both technological marvels, with the roborock offering a more comprehensive self-cleaning dock that even washes itself. But the NARWAL's simpler, more streamlined approach includes a smart light bar for clear status updates and a self-emptying and refilling system that is incredibly user-friendly and less prone to maintenance headaches. Considering all these factors, if you want the most futuristic technology with the mechanical arm and superior edge coverage, the roborock is a compelling choice. But for most people, the NARWAL Flow 2 is the better overall product because it combines the highest suction power, an innovative self-cleaning mop system, and proven AI navigation into a more reliable, practical, and effective cleaning package that truly performs every day. To find the current best price for either of these incredible machines, simply click the link in the description below before they sell out.